In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Bookmap on Thinkorswim. To get started, open Thinkorswim desktop. Once you're inside the platform, click on the Charts tab, then select Bookmap. After that, enter the stock or futures symbol you want to analyze, such as AAPL, QQQ, or ES. One important note before you continue, Bookmap is not available in paper money, and the full version requires a subscription and is only available for eligible non-retirement Schwab accounts. Once Bookmap is open, the first thing to understand is the heat map, because that's the core of how this tool works. Bright or hot colors represent large resting orders, which means high liquidity. Darker areas represent lower liquidity. In practical terms, large liquidity zones often act like support or resistance. For example, if you see a bright band below the current price, that can suggest strong buyer interest in that area. If you see a bright band above price, that may suggest strong seller interest. This is useful because it helps you see where the market may react before price actually gets there. Next, look at the volume dots, sometimes called bubbles. These dots show individual trades. Green dots represent aggressive buyers lifting the ask, while red dots represent aggressive sellers hitting the bid. The larger the dot, the larger the trade size. When large green dots start pushing through a resistance area, that can signal bullish strength. On the other hand, when large red dots break through support, that can suggest bearish strength. A good habit here is to watch not just the color, but also the size and the location of the dots relative to nearby liquidity. You can also make Bookmap easier to read by turning on a few useful components. Right-click the chart and choose Configure Visible Components. From there, consider enabling candlesticks, VWAP, volume bars, the last price line, and cumulative volume delta, or CVD. If you're new to Bookmap, keep it simple at first. VWAP, the heat map, and the volume dots are often enough to build a solid